A very good evening to each and every one of you present here this evening. I also would like to extend my heart warm welcome to our chief guest for this evening, Sir Ronnie Walang. And to each and every one of you present here, are you all excited? I can't hear, come on. Okay. Same here, we are very much delighted. Before we start off with the competition, since you have seen these two empty chairs, right? So now, without any further delay, I would like to call our judges, Mr. Josephus and Mr. Damien. As we all know, they are both well-known singers in the state. So they are also the composer, writer, and singer of the Golden Jubilee Anthem of the statehood of Meghalaya. Besides, they have many songs to their credit. So let us give them a huge round of applause. Come on. So I know I'm Ivani Shapatau, your host for this beautiful musical evening. I call it a beautiful musical evening because we all know why we are gathering here today, because we have our top 10 singers, or I may say top 10 performers, who is going to enlighten us throughout this evening. So before we start off with the competition, with the grand finale of Kasurkan Ut Nyam Season 2, I would like to call Father Ritonbor Kharkongor for his welcome speech and also for the felicitation of guests. So let us give Father a huge round of applause.
Good evening to all our esteemed guests, fathers, brothers, sisters, judges, finalists, parents, near and dear ones of the finalists, well-wishers and friends. On behalf of Don Bosco Youth Center, it is my pleasure to extend a heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you gathered here this evening to the grand finale of our much-awaited Surkan Ut Nyam Season 2. Today, we are privileged to have with us a distinguished guest and a friend whose contributions have significantly impacted the lives of the young people, the church, and the society. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Mr. Ronison Watlang, the additional Deputy Commissioner of our district and the chief guest of the Surkan Ut Season 2. I request Father Makri, the director of the Bosco Youth Center, to come forward and present Mr. Ronnie Walang with a bouquet of flowers and a scarf. I also invite Father Makri to present one to his missus. A round of applause, please. It is with great pleasure that we also extend our heartfelt welcome and felicitation to Father Philip Barjo, the esteemed rector of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Please, Father Michael. And also we warmly welcome Father Dabilang Kaji, the principal of Don Bosco College, Bendihati. I request Father Makri to once again do the honor. Today, we are truly honored to have with us a distinguished panel of judges who bring with them a wealth of experience and expertise in the world of music and performance. We extend a warm welcome and heartfelt gratitude to them for taking the time to be here with us today and for generously sharing your knowledge and passion. We also extend a warm welcome to every one of you present here, the fathers, brothers, sisters, parents, friends, and well-wishers. This evening, we gather here not only to witness exceptional talent, but to celebrate the power of music that unites us all. From the very first audition to this exciting moment, our journey has been nothing short of spectacular. We have seen remarkable performances that have moved us, inspired us, and filled our hearts with joy. Each contestant has poured their soul into their songs, showcasing their passion and dedication to the art of music. This evening, we are privileged to witness the culmination of weeks of hard work, determination, and unwavering commitment from our finalists. They have not only impressed our esteemed panel of judges, but have captured the hearts of our audience with their extraordinary voices and mesmerizing performances. As we embarked on this unforgettable evening, let us remember that music transcends boundaries, language, and culture. It connects us on a deeper level and touches our emotions in ways that words alone cannot express. Let us celebrate not only the finalists, but also the spirit of creativity, courage, and bonding that defines this competition. To our finalists, remember that you are all winners for having reached this stage. Your talent and passion have brought you here, and today you have the opportunity to shine brightly and leave an indelible mark on this stage. Lastly, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has supported this event, our sponsors, judges, organizers, and the audience. Your presence here this evening makes this grand finale truly special. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be enchanted by the magical performances that await us. Let the music fill our hearts, uplift our spirits, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you, and enjoy the grand finale of the Sorkan Oat Nyam Season 2. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Father Rittenbor, for that beautiful welcome speech and also for the felicitation. So I think every one of us gathering here today, we are so excited about the grand finale of Kasurkan Oat Nyam Season 2. But most of us, I think we are not aware about what is Kasurkan Oat all about. So let me just give a brief introduction about the Surkan Oat. This is the second season of the Kasurkan Oat Nyam singing competition. The goal of this competition is to nurture talents and give them a platform to shine. Another reason for this competition is being held is to counter the evil that is in the social media. We intend with many more seasons to happen to put in the global map, especially in social media, Khasi religious songs. Over 100 songs every season is uploaded on YouTube and other social media platforms to popularize the Khasi religious songs globally. In every season, about 4 to 5 rounds of elimination is held. Those with the lowest points are eliminated and others progress to the next round. Ultimately, at the grand finale, the winner will receive 35,000 rupees and the first runner-up will receive 15,000 rupees and the second runner-up will receive 5,000 rupees. The competition aims also to engage youth in positive activities, provide them a platform for every talented youth and children, and also to offer them a vocal training opportunities to those who cannot afford them. So I think Kasurkan Oat Nyam Season 2, it's doing so much of, it's really one of the platform, which highlighted the our youth, our youngsters, especially those who don't have a chance to showcase their talent. So this is the right platform for everyone who have a talent to sing and who loves music. So without any further delay, do you want us to start the competition? Okay, so we also want to see how you support your own and your most favorite singer here. So without any further delay, I would like to call the first contestant, and that is Kit Kupar Nongsit. Kit Kupar Nongsit. Let us give him a huge round of applause.
Kit Kupar Nongsit ngadai na kasnong kinshi ka baha papo ke Eastern West Khasi District. Pat ngadon sawmuch para ngadai ibahedu. Di mentang rang ape kerso jongka PA. Ka jeng angnu jonga ke jeng jonga kalong bangan long unong ruai ubatit omtang bangan susakut lang tang haniha jalala jong Ndre kalong bangan ni syakmat ban penpau berthai ya kasap kaba ublei ul ayanga. Kajingwan si menta jonga kaneka Surkan Oat Nyam Season 2 kalong day namar kajing aiman siem omtang kajong email pa ibahi ngesen bagi parlok para jor jonga. Kakam kabanga smutanat panle kajing jonga ti kalong bangan ruai ngala stang ban ruai nadu kapor bang driusnan. But hakapor bangadap shposnam nene papa ki aiman sim yang bangan le chimenta ki rensan ki paper ya kata kabanwan ti ngamla batit bre hakajin snu jonga Asmus kem ban job ikini ka surkul urnyam season 2 hakni ka kenti ka pamta. Bat ngakermen ru bangan yo kata katong ka banga ngadan. Ladang job ikini ka surkul urnyam season 2 hakni ka kenti ka pamta. Kajing anu jonga kalong ba om tang bangan syukur no tang kumni rei kalong bangan rei stom syushu bangan ang kiu syapang ka kamroi ka jonga. Bat ngan ai men sim ru ya kiwei pat ki para samla. Badannya kasap akin pendan kamhok ka ngalayo shibun ba ki jimentoy na kani kasur kedut nyam season 2 akapa ki judges ki jong ngiru kila sen ye ki katu kan ni ki vocal exercise bangin le hiyeng bat akapa ki sen pintu ngalayo pan practice bahagen bat akapa ngapet ye ki participants besimenta kani ka rensane kokon ngalayo shibun ba cikai.
Pibaro
Percaya
Wow, kesurte kumbada o shrong shisha day. Ong bahasa ni kya khap nap haban tap ketiru tap keti sajisian. Dia ngikit bok epiket, but ngikit bok keriwang epiru ba pinang jam shakamat ha bay day but karwai kesiau. Dia kubday shipun ya. Dia mentang kumnehi ngan khot no se i contestant ibabut ita ide isaga city rentatiang. In ai kajing tap keti ka bajam.
Kublai Pibaro agar teng jangari isaga city rentatian marina kashnong Sherwang Eastern West Khasi Hills District madam Sanmut Shpara bak ngade Bandung Kongdo Nabaro Shpara di mentang adang pendep yaka master napo Martin Luther Christian University Shillong aga jing em bujonga jing angno kajonga kalong dengan biang nakam kacam but ke kebangan le kan long bet ba with regards in the field of music kakam bas ko tena ban le aga jing em jonga kalong dengan rah bat ko jo tap gani kebapen long yang abangan shembenta gani kasur kan ut nyam kalong ba ko aban sei madan yang kata kasap ko ublehi la ay nga so ke baro kinong magazine kerku jo ubleh de nila man ai pat sho ubleh leng ba gani jing wan shembenta ga jini pada kan yo pensko chaki way pat leng bagi sap ki bangingi dan ngala stang ban rai na do ki por ko nang rit pa hado mentang la jueshen menta shibun tli kiren san debat ki bahiyang hasam mi mei pa jonga bal baro ki bahiyang hasam jonga ki de bekersan be yang hado manang rit hado menta saya ka jing job te ngamlang ban ong pa tip hiru dengan small ba ada ubleh hi benta ba kadi ka benta jonga ban job la ban job bat kum juru ada dei ka benta jong ki wei ki no yeshen menta ba kin job ada ka dei ka benta ka jong ki ngai ba ka jing job kan dei bet hanu re hanu ke ka jing thmu la rangi job ya kani ka jing kop rai ka long ba kani ai shementa shu shu pat hakiwe pat kiran san ber kum juru shibenta ka long ban pensyur naman ngitep ba ha ani ha shalong hi bun kinong rai ke bat tebet ado kata-kata re ba kim pat yo ya kalan bakin mi bakin sei madan lagi jong kisap kana kani ka surkan ut nyam ni yo shibun ke jing mentoy kamaning kong kalong ban ka wesh ka Porsche ko ay pat mi nang train shu ya lade maring sumto bakal ng competitive pa jadi konro ng babon kinong right with sura lishibo Hello, check. jing ya long lok bat la utrai ya kata u da jing maham u ai hey cô ki khôn phi long ki shi ter khong day u play ya kani ba u la o na mar phim don ya u men sim jong a ka jing em dia pensa du serta don ki khôn trong cái jing bong ko ngo ki ba pen e ya la ka jong ka do lu lei ukren uri ai ma ham ru ka rai ka shong hangi pangin jiet ya ka len ti ka jing em hakamet la ni hakamen si hey cô ki khôn phi long ki shi ter khong day u play ya kani ba u la o na mar phim don ya u men sim jong a ka jing em dia pensa hey cô ki khôn phi long ki shi ter khong day u play ya kani ba u la o na mar phim don ya u men sim jong a ka jing em dia pensa du serta ka jing em dia pensa du serta du serta Lisbon
Kublai Shibon Saga City ren tatyang ye gitu surging rai ki ba bat ki batyang da shisha. Dia klem da pen slam show ngan khot gi contestant iba bot ita ide I Frankie Nongbri.
Kasting kejonga kedai Frankie Nongbri ban nasong asa ha laimer oposlong ka bahaba ksnong nokse ban narosidap pendap ya ka jipuli kejonga hosnan acar akho Shillong College Bachelor of Arts jing ang nuot na kajing kejonga te aku nong successful haki kam kitam ba matmu ba mata manang prepare ki kam ki competitive exam tahi ban kawero aku ban long ru kum nong wai hobi jonga masih smart ban tem ban wai ta si smart ban lekai tahi Waplong yang amin simentaya kanika serkunun ade lingba natip na ibe patlong baka don kani competition ban ila ong yang aban simentalang no kapani kong te nga smo atatin yalde wan sim wan long man yale kan ban le kan competition ta sedang manuai kadi nadu wang dangret i bang sedang suana limane nta wana ale ki school ero sedang manuai sedang cimentai ta na ale ki college ero sedang cimentai nakalang ka jonga ta nga ban ong smos kam nomor kalong kompetitif buon kriterium lingadan ka jingkerman mangan job nga job nya kani ka surken ut kani ka pangasimantahi te kajing tumu ka silong ba nga yo alan bangan siman bangan ampen debit susu LD pan kanya kajing mentoy te hoan nga ayo kajing mentoy sibon experience bon simantahi kani ka surken ut pan nga ayo ayo kita vocal exercise ini mesla pedang yang ayo pan practice mamlek kita vocal exercise nga ayo bon kita mentoy hoan na yaladero kam iPod besu pang curwai tanggan sependap mah besu
manami ablay jingem jonga shulong leno kabadang mikis ngikipo jingem jonga kala nang tulor Jong kapang I'm done jing sung jing na bao try long ma ba ki jing is nei jong ki jing shi Jangan biasa shisin Henry de jing duai abe de jing knendakti ba in jong mi mem ju ino yanga ship lenti day jing ik blasius payanga day jing ik blasat hadipna na bau try ulong mabha ki jing is nei jong ki jing shi sha jong jing em jong ngao ker khu jing em jong a ha jing jan lang om I kum bangam siap di chuan ban lepa I mei I pa I u na bao try ulong ma pa ki jing is nei jong ki jing shi sha jong jing em jong ngao ker khu jing em jong ngao ker khu jing em jong ngao ker khu Kublai
Wow, kublai shibun Frankie nong bri ya katu ka jingrai ka basngot na chisha ka jongpi te mentakom ni hingin sayo pada ye contestant I babut ita ide I elfra la betsok dakar.
Teng jonga ka de elfra la bitsuk kha ngasa ham jingking nong thamai bat kasnong try jonga ka de ha rembai ha eastern hills ngala don prasnya ka ni don armuch parang ngade ka batko ban de pa ka jingrai bat panong bat panyarap ikit padu pasok bat pandang iu besok dia masuk na pan yarap ya imay pan piliya kakwa pan piliya kini storybooks bat pan ruai aku nang ngaban pan chimita kanika surkan ut nyamba dalam ba kisur jangangan ya ngan kata ya kiway nga lastang ban ruai nadu ba ngadang Lais nam karta bat badan rekat ngate meme papa barak kami nambas oy ngas no kernen ban job akan kasur dadang job akan kasur kun nyam ngan untuk ya lati bat shimta kibet oy kapan kong teban improve yaki pronunciation jonga ban oi ngayo chimtoy kapan kong te ban improve ya lati bat kapaar te ban long slur
Jingkmen kerhai kumne kala banja penban ublay uklet ya jing e chisha kabahla long baka jisu jonga ngan buồn ban lát na kỳ jing ma jing shai gospel nga le pen bana pu tha ble ting shai tha ba i ve ya nga ya tu kana jing yên úp lấy bóng rau xì xa ngắm lang bàn kle hà đúc lên ta i ô cô ni u ca ba la hà đi cần tiền hà siêu aku kakek kala bantlen Yala ikun bakala ha Shisha kumne kala banja Tembanu blay uklet ya ha Jingnya shisha kabahla Kublai
Wow, kumbaong kaktian mo, best things always comes in small packages nga try di ini epi mo. Tungin ay kajing tap ti ba kamjam na kumta ini habarit. Manu ba hikay jing roy epi?
Imei
Ani may jing ni bateri ma day nga try nga hapanya kendo epi dala adap kani ka competition mo. Ni ringin sa pai kay jing roy lang. Te thank you so much but ngikit bokit riwang epi ba pinang jam siya kamat mo. Thank you. Di mentakom ni hingan kot i contestant iba buat ita ide itia Veneza kurba.
Ngai kublai pi baro kateng janga kade idia Vanessa kurba masyong asa halat moreng de mentang ala dan kat kandai snem ni dan kat wengo chipara na baro chipara ngade basipong mentang klam pulisu de ngala kelas ten ngala drop out no di live janga te rakwa balong hisya kata ka artis long professional singer bekam ke basu tanat ha kajing janga te kade kelas lagi jing wai aku banget rekam itu ngasih penut kai nomor wai itu lalu shot kai apa perlu yang apa cinta kani ka sukun utnyam di belong experience banyak experience lagi belong confident lagi kani te kas sedang nadu po bangadang rit ndai apa badang rit tu ngapas kutu haya kata kasap bangadan bedeling bakajing amin sin di bana yang hasan ime ipa ki perlok para juar sa sutu bakadal syakat hoat nasos kem bad kaweru hoat na padang borak bangiar wai kibun batebet sudahi de bakla kataru nasos kem deling bakajing rak lang jong ublay bajing temu jangat banganya ya chaprang awal penan kam ho yang tak kajo kasap no panlong syak tak kanang wai hoat yoyo sibun ke jimon toy nang ni pangasim taya kane kasur kun utnyam tingba ka ajing seluruh yangi perkumjuru lingba bangas ngapai kini baru ki pamiar walang biyo lang kata biyo lang ki niksama kumno banwai kumno banti ni
Wow,
Lay
kasur
imo,
kaba ngau tenat bat kaba
stay
om shishamo
jang,
jong
bosan
India
bantu.
Veneza kurba bat habang ngap ya ingakan mawi ki we pat kinong ruai ki ba kham shakhamat di kublai shibon tia Veneza bat mentakum ne klem de pen slam shu ngin khot ye itu san ban yet wan khat.
Pagsteng nga kaday bosan ban Morris wan kan nga la song class 5 nga la suppose nem kalta ni dan language para nga day ibahe du ngadang sedang menruai menta arbanai kadang ke competition school isa nga ipa nga menruai kata te ime ipa ikamtip rengaw ba nang ruai Kapo bang ruain ta ngayeng sa stitch dal akut kata program nga along iba first ting sa email ipa daan mensim yang nga banwan sa kani kasutan niya dang lahe ngkwa banlong artis kata di kaway ru so ngawan ngkwa lang nang ruai ru kan kitahi kahobi nga kadai ban tem ban ruai bat ban draw bat ban shot ada ngajak ekani kasukut niya sin tu ngana putbit syo eladi ba ubre la ay kasap nga so bangan dek cheki ki competition padon sa ba kajing mentoy bangayo nakani kasukut niam bat ipara bayar wailang bat i put su kila kaya nga banroy
One dem makmat trong mi atrai ba pha bat ki jing kuslai jing tieng bate yanga ngas nguling aka mensim ngas ngopisa trai tuan ta wan ban ngoyanga na banget don't know chunga bala ban pen pai na jing ku sai sha jing ngan na jing so si sha jing man ki jing pang me pen kya la hau priu kalong bang la ya ka men sim ba pang nut jing is ne jong me men pen tut chi sha shampoo mami ngan yai dam trai bat yai mani pop shirin jan kan ne trai ma pyanga ki jing sko phaka perthei ki te yanga bun chen ha jing yat nen ti yai bakla kapen jot kapen thame jing em jonga and rain atip mila ban pen kala wada donu jonga kala sakma na jing ku sai sha jing ngan na jing so si sha jing kmen ki jing pang me pen kya la ha u priu kalong bang la ya ka men sim ba pang nut jing is ne jong me mem pen tut si sha lan om shem pum อย่าประจุมเละพาจงเมกุมตั้งงานใหญ่เดมบาอุยยามีเมลงบาคราเมลงบาคราJing bang me pen kia hau priu kalong bang la ya ka men si ba bang ngut jing is nei dong me mem pen tut sangan om sem pun ma me ngan yai dem trai bat yai ba ni si sangan om sem pun ma me ngan yai dem trai bat yai ma ni Bless you, boy.
Wow, Kublai Shibun habret to san ban ye. Ina kali jingkli na ikaway mo, pisngo kop job na em.
Hi.
Full confident bed. Di dala job pa din ang nipinde yu.
Ngan rai susu.
Wow. So, iket bucket riang ye pi, ba pinang jam siya kamat habay day bat karway ka siyaw, bat kumjuro ha kapuli ka puti jong pi mo. All the best. Dia minta kom nihi ban beteng show ika competition ke jong ingin khot I contestant I babut ita ID Aishwa Daka Dakar.
Na is jen pia bat na syang sa harambai sencendria. Te mentang adan kat jus nam kata. Bat ni adan language para mentang peli kelas 11 Don Bosco Cadet Higher Secondary School. Ikam ba ngas ngotemat ban le de ban ruai bat ban lelek kai football. Ngasdang ban ruai na do kapor lockdown. Bat de kiba haying hi kiba ay mesin bat nuslo yang bangan ruai. Ay ngas ngokemen ban job lada kalong kumon champion. Lada nga job hakam ga jeng kop ruai. Jeng tuno jonga de kompetitif susu lagi bat ban ciminta hati insan kiba helpay. Hay ngayo shukun kicumuntoy na kami kasukun iyam namar kalera nga ban ruai kamba susu. Ang kabapulang yang ngaban ciminta kami kasukun iyam kadai imba kacang ay mesin kiba hayi. Kublai Shibun.
Kublai Shibun ay shwadaka the karya katu ka surging rai ka besngoten nat bat urendang uba shisha tisa sisinin ay ka jing kublai ka bat jing thap kti ka bajam na ka bentajong i ti mentagom ni hingan khatno i contestant i babuat ita ide i cordially karwanyang
Hakaban kong nga ay mira ublay trakang balayalam bat lor kat haka jing in kejonga kagerting jonga de i cordially karwanyang Masyong sa halimbinan kabahap hapo mau sunram Paris. Ni don lain sipara arngut kihen dan sunrang bat mga ibakadu. Mentangan sudah joinnya kabikom hamau sunram border area college. Ka aim in life jonga kadai banga kwa banlong ita in Norway. Kajus nu tenap jonga kalong bangan ruai bangan tem sama tem piano bat ka gitar bat nasu tenap ru bande iki decoration. Kabapan lang nga banganan simita hakane ka surkunyam kalong mga kuwa ban kompetibit susu yalade hakane ka kambangan ruai bat bangan tem bat de ramba jong is jong iba jablang ibala ay nga ka jimpentip angkanya ka jinekom ruai ngala sedang ban ruai nadu bangan tangarit haki yung mane haki jineseng bat haki ramsam bat per ngasnya scam ngakermen bangan job hakane ka jinekop surkunyam ladang job hakane ka jing ko provide ka jing tumu jonga kalong bangan kampen bit susu yalade bat ya kapisa ngan penenkam ban kit ya kitia jingtem bangan nangla ban kampen bha susu ha karwai siang ngayo sibun ki jing toy makane kasur kun ban kong ka jing sulur ka bangayo bat lang ba inis lapdang bat inis kengkot dalam penti nga ha kino kidemta bangadang guna bat bangan kamlet ha susu
Hello.
Lording pnabala sana las lembah gila kimti pawat ya kajing ya une ulong ukendra bawat hajing te balabu ya ukam laban ba ula deb ya tulpa tinjong ulong kordor hasni balai ulami pa kan i udon kabor iki banget day dakane kan i don jingker Chris ulong shisha uble yakan omla bane sembrang bala sakma balen pilas nukutlah Bait baran hasenda Kendin naki ukla Hatin kacing nipad upang Sa shisin kiyo kabor Baukan berat bagi jubur Ulong ubadon boy Habaro banget hau Day ban don ka jinkerman Day tang hau Jesu Jing im ha pertela banku Ben ban la kreya kari Hadin jing yam un pen mi pa Wan shao da la de Gom ba ulan deb ya tulpa Tien jong ulong kordon Has ngi balay ulami pa Kan I udon kabon Ngiki banget day dakane Kan I don jingkerman Bakris ulong shisha ube Yaka laban le Yaka laban le Kublai Shibun
Wow, halakaryam kebet keba isyong kun. Kaseru keba bat ngasau kun pas ngap itu melung ayu dah iskau tenat siapa pelan. Kudai shibun kodeli karwan yang bat mentakum ni kram dapen slam show ngin yo contestant iba buat bat ita ide i mangkara baken sai dekar.
Kerteng kejonga kada mangkara baken sai dekar. Na syong nasa ponok pendeng nustan. Ngalak dan lipo lais nam kerta ni dan arngut sipara ben ong hagajing imhi dan shibun gajing angnut sen re ha kabede bat kani ka benta kani ka sap kapong ruai sing kwa ya ba nan peron kam hok ya ka sap ka ublei lai la kalong kanu ka platform kanu ka benta ya ka ba ya si kalong kalat yang abang lawan i kani ka ka ublei la ngasung tenat bangan ruai Masuk tenat banyak dan lang superlok bangi tam ini ruai bangi jale juruk kita aman kepol ngasuk tenat ru bangan lekai PC games ngajus tenat bangan lekai FIFA superlok di tahi dah kalau penuh yang abangan wani syukunta akan ka rensan yang kapwa kan kesutu nyam season 2 kam gadai belong bang kwa ya ka kusnam sih ka job dan ka day ka ngan ya thui hok ya phi ba ka karensan ka benengkong ya ka bangan ya le iki bakum kini ka competition ruai wan ong si tek ka por ka bangas dang man ruai le singam kan mau shu andai nanu bang dang red ngala so tanat bangan sengat iki jing ruai la ka day jing ruai gospel la ka day jing ruai secular songs ki love songs na so tanat bangan sengat bangan kapete bat ka jing job bat ka jing rem tingam nang ban ong bang ngasong scam bangan job ni em genre ngan ong bet bah ka jing yale hi dan hi job dan hi ram genre la job ni ram ru lele ka jing tmu hi kalong ba ngan penpau hi resap ko lele ba la dangan job ni ram ru ngan yai continue bangan penonkan ni sap ko lele ai ba kan wa akan ni kasling ba jong ni kasur kan ut niam akan ni karensan ni pemruai nga yo shibun ki aka nga learn yo jing hikai da ka ba ngami perthai nga ya kendu ya kiwe par ki samla ki bana kiwe ki dong ki thai yo i ka karno ki la bat nga so thu reality ka potential ka jonga bat kumnu bangan ang la ya ka bangan nang pentibet bangan nang improve issue ha ka be dei bat kani ka sap ka phong ka ba boleh la
Hello, hello.
Kijinja but snow sugarcane mentakija Kilong yin long sam krista kipat kipra Haruha kishlong kitau Imlang kasalang Kini kijinja Kisdang banja Kibalang Trayara Ai bor yang ni Yin yang bantrai Hap dan jongki Du mensim bakut kebor Hang itu Syamidrai Kijing tua kektian ulay Larang pendek Kala day kepor yangi Kamngin trade Namar jinguan jong utrai Kalanan hajar Kum shipai babha Nyentur syaprangin Om kenran Trayara Ai bor yang ni Nyin yang bantrai Đèn jongki Du mensim makut kabor Hang itu ai Banginlah Banwala empat Kiblasak masyamidrai Banginlah Banwala empat Kiblasak masyamidrai Bless you, bro.
Kublai shibun mangkarai ketua Sir Jingrai, kemudian shipin tip EP ketua Jingrai, kita ke Jingrai ke baila taui, bat ila depan mi ru haus nam arajar kendai deh. Tingas ngode ingin ai ke Jing tak peti ke bakam jam nak bentar jengi. Nalor karwai saka tau Jingrai ru. Di ngas ngode ban ongmong ngidi ban ai kublai kerpangi pada Michael Makri belawan rai kini kakak Sirkin Ud Nyam. Namar ngi yo I bahaka Sirkin Ud Nyam ngi dan aduk ki beret ki bapedeng bat ki bahe. Di ngas ngode ban ai ke Jing kublai bat ke Jing penslur shu ye pi ba pilaiwan ban yakun hakani karinsan hakakerta ka balai pulai sinem ka long shisha ka Jing ai men siam ye ki bai pat di ngatarai ngidon kam ban yo ya I small message na pi bai di bai kitu ki samla le se ki badan shaniru ki badang bu ri ya ka sap ka phong ka jongki di ka e ka kubor na ka benta jongki
di ngas ngau man ong ye ki para samla ki badan ka sap ka phong la ka long kanu kan ka sap le se ka la ban long ka sap ka pin roi ka sap ka pin shat Kalau menolak kasap pi let's say pi lapan tibet ru mau pi shna ki animations ni pi le videografi pi le kanu pi shondor tingim daya ka bangin kan randien ngin wan syakmat kidon ki platforms ki ba pera kini ki sngi ki jongi ki ba menta ya ka bangila ya ka ban pen pau ban pen I ya ka bangila ruan penon kam hok ya ka sap ka phong ya ka ba ublei ula ai ambar nget ba ka ai ka ba ublei ula ai hangi sisien ka sngi ngin sahab ya ka bangin long accountable learning ihap man ajing Kenya kata di kini ki platform barok khat ki dei na mata jongi barok ki badon ki sap hala ki jong ki sap ki phong di tang kini ingat ko aban ong si para semula please
di kublai shibun mangkara bat ngangai scam ki badangnya bu ri iki sap shania kiti basong shedian pina sei madan ki sap ki jong pi bat kom juru ya kitu ki samla ki ba page live ya kini ke program menta kublai shibun ya di ingin menta pat kom ni ingin yo ya inong ya shim menta iba khat du ita idei ai dame shawan kar bat hadian jong ingin sayo ai kintien ai mensiam na I kong sani jongi ita isa roni walang tingin ai jing tap ti ka bajam ya ini contestant ba inang ishim tai bakado
kublai pi baro kagerteng jonga kade aidam mishawan kar pat ngasong ngasa hapo laimer aposhlong nongse pat ngade kun baning kongro ngedan language para kenthe sudah ngalastang bandrai na do bangadang rit hiyeng menihi kajing ang nu jonga ha kajing em kalong hi ba nganlong kanong rai kapapau nam om tang ha kajela henry akari hi barok kawe badru bangan poi syakathong haki aka di bangale ha kajing em bingkat bat kajing kerku ublay Ikam ki bangas ngutenat bende ha kajing em te ningkong e kate banga iet dan snap ikijing rai badru bandrai ban siau bende kai sports bat kiwe di Aba penlong yang nga ban syamenta ha kanika surkin urniam kalong ba ngakwa banyo e kajing slur hi ningkong e bat ka experience ha kini kijat kinsan bakher lada kadai kaman jong ublay nakermen ban poi sya kanika thong ha kanika jing kopwai lada ngapoy sya kathong kajing tmu jonga kalong ba ngan pentit susu ha karwai kasau ling ba kajing rap ikut jonga imam lapyang badru bangan penan kamhok ya kasak kathong kala bencet hanga doble kajing bentoy bangayo nakani ka jingya kobrwai kalong ba ala pat ngalala bandan ya kajing slur ban yakun hakani ka jatungsan bapher Lucu.
Ladang ala bandon tang bad mi ku try mensim jong akan kut bad long janai klet lot barong ki jem ku slai perthengan i sajai kadot nu jong akatrang bandon tang bad mi klem wai ladang kam yang mi ladang kam yang mi man ka kelep mai hajeng em jonga ladang kam yang mi ladang kam yang mi wat i marway nga dan hajan jonga ben klan men sim jonga ngadon kam yami jingap chini se mela ku kai jingem jonga klem mami Kadok katlod ng sim kasway habana mi ngajay Shikilip mat klempoy berkat ngakloy banlen na mi pukat Ladang kam yami Ladang kam yami Banda kilip mat Hajing em jonga ladang kam yang mi ladang kam yang mi wat i marway nga udan hajan jonga ben klan men sim jonga ngadon kam yang mi God slow hun slow fly mi ta ai mi ba shen mi u ba la ba ya tang ha
Kublai shibun Aida Mesha wan karya ketuka surjing roi ke basngau tenat but sashi sien pat ngi ai kublai ya baro shipongwat ki contestants ki bla poi shakani ka grand finale but kam the pen slam show hi menta kom ni ngan khot ye kong sanjungi is Ronnie be in one shakamat ban ai shi kintin akan tin kum ka jing ai men siem ki contestant ki jungi tingin ai ka jing thap ki ba jam na ka bentai sai belawan kanang ban ai men siem ngi ha kani ka singi
Kublai shibun de samla Ivanisha Patau Mujui Thui Tau, Yadon Lang Te Maulai Parish. Ga contain Gabling Kong Kalong Gajing Songo Shwayo Blay. Hagaba Ngayo Ekani Kalan, Hakani Jan Meat, Bandon Runkat Lem. But Kini Kinong Ruai, Kibalapun Yakaman Sim Jungi, Uwe by Uwe. Nashimekani Kalan, Ban I Kublay, Kerpang Ye Father Makri. Dashisha Kanika Don Bosco Youth Center, Kalakala Baklabang, Nakan Mau Menshwa. Mengijuan Hakanika Center, Hooi Kabyang na Dong Shadong, Henry Rangi Pet Menta, Kala Junlong International Standard. But Kanikaran San Hakaba Maila Aila Ikon Samla, but Kajing Tumu, Kumbakyong Ktin Nongway Kabalong Noble. Ban Kring Yaki Samla, Shao Blay, Lingbagi Surjing Rwai. Balada Pipet Yaka stage, Lanika sound, ka set up. Kinong Yashim Benta Ngatharai, they are the best. Bangidon Kaman Aikajing Tapkti Kapajam, Ya Father Michael Makri, but Katim Kajungi. Father, your finesse, your quality, your aesthetics knows no boundaries. And you really deserve a huge round of applause and appreciation for what you have done. I acknowledge Father Philip Barjo, who we have met several times on several occasions. And on an occasion like this, when Don Bosco is the trailblazer in as far as reaching out to the youth is concerned. It is not just about spirituality, but bringing out the best in the youth. I shudder to think what would it be like for us to be singing on this stage. It isn't easy. And I am not jealous of the judges. You got wonderful places to sit, but it must have been very difficult for you to arrive at the judgment. I'm pretty sure some will be happy, some will be disappointed, you will be criticized as well if the judgment does not go as per us, you know, the ones sitting there who we feel should win. But we may have the ears for music, but they have been trained. So I think they would be the better persons to judge as to who are the winners. To the contestants, I must say, they were all terrific. They all are of great standard. And I'm pretty sure that this platform, which Don Bosco Youth Center has given to them, will go a long way in building their careers. And I'm pretty sure, just as the two judges who are known throughout India for that lovely song for the 50 years of our statehood, Meghalaya, which we continue to listen day in, day out, though we have completed 50 and we're still moving on, looking forward to 75 years of our country as also for our state. And yet, we believe that music transcends boundaries, transcends religion, transcends everything. And therefore, I'd like to end with what Bono said, music changes people and people change the world. God bless Don Bosco Youth Center. Really, really very proud of you and thank you for this privilege.
Thank you so much, sir, for that beautiful words of encouragement, short and sweet, right? So thank you so much, sir, and we are very much delighted to have you here, and thank you for your beautiful speech. And I do hope that all the contestants who are here in the green room, they must have been encouraged by your speech. So without any further delay, just like what sir was saying, that all the contestants were terrific. Why? The reason is because we have the two lovely and beautiful coaches here who have groomed them, and they managed to perform what they have performed today. It's all because of their hard work and dedication. So without any further delay, I would like to call Coach Lapriang and Coach Kenkor to give their special number.
Jing ai a blay nga it ban pla ba ben em con yang ba mi la shem you ba la ja bla ben bet you madla they ching ai ai ba kren hanga ba ben la lui yang nga tang long koridor shisha hanga men bang nge yaka na bun ki jing riam ba jing ma na lai yo lai men ta dei jing ai ba lam lên bagan oi sha nai Hadin hipau hajar hisnem yai ting shan gong kasngi ngirang mantat ban ruai yaro yala uno Hadin hipau hajar hisnem yai ting shan gong kasngi ngirang mantat man ruai yaro yala uno ngirang mantat man ruai yaro yala uno Minta kebulan maglay. Amen. Praise you, Lord.
Wow, mentang ila tip em balik itu ki shipongot ki contestant ki roi bah nama baki dan ki kut shibakum kitu kan. Dia kublai shibun lapid yang bat Miss Kenkor. But nadia dala adap kani ka competition ngaru ngan sebuk no bat ki ban syapin hikai yala dia mah. Pisiaru lada pikwa mah ki dan hang nia pila ban buk naga benta yala dia kana ba pisiaru le singin la ban yu i hakaway pat ka season. Le si haka season 3 mah. Dia kublai shibun sa shi sen pat but ifada ila pen kre sha em tengah terai pin saya yo abor hite thap kti ken ken diak nak benta jongki ti krem de pen slam show ngan khot no ye ifada be in one eye ka vote of thanks but kum juru ba in sa pen benaya ka results
to ko ble shivun de iva so every good things come to an end tinggal po siya bukod jong kaniga program. But ngayang hang ni, on behalf of Father Riton Bor, our Assistant Director, and all of us at Don Bosco Youth Center, we have got 3 brothers and 22 boys, hotel boys, and then of course thousands and thousands of young people who come to the center every day. So on behalf of all of them, I would like to first and foremost thank God for this beautiful day, for this beautiful evening. If you all enjoyed, it's of course the hard work of all the people concerned, but above all, it's the blessing of God. I think to God be the glory. You heard the last part of the song. And definitely God deserves our praise, especially for the graces that we receive today. And Mother Mary and Saint Joseph, today you know why we have this competition. It's a special day. It's the feast of Saint Joseph. And we cannot have a man like we have our chief guest here. He said he didn't want to come alone. He needs to bring somebody. And that's why today is the feast of Saint Joseph. And we cannot forget Mother Mary, the wife of Saint Joseph. So to them also, praise and glory for all the blessings, the intercession they do for us. And of course, Don Bosco, we are here, it's because of Don Bosco. So we praise him and we thank him for starting this movement, a movement for young people. I would like to thank Father Provincial, Father Economer, the council members, although initially they have agreed to be here for this program, but due to some other reasons, which was so important, they are not able to be here. But it's because of their blessings, it's because of their encouragement, it's because of their support that we can have this kind of competitions. If not, with their help, with the support, I don't think we will be able to do this kind of program. So we thank Father Provincial, Economer, and all the council members, the past and also the present. The past one is here, sitting here. Of course, it is really with the, no, I really appreciate Pak Roni. Ngam tu lagi can do each office. No, I consider him as my elder brother, as my enemy, as my ya, namar ngilong perlu kedu kata ladang don kam fun room ju fun shoot text baik, shoot kaman baik. That is the relationship that we have built for so many years now. Nanduk kapor keba ironi idang di president jong ke SSCYM. Bariki wiki benta. Takadaw, Mbak Roni, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the beautiful words you talk about Youth Center. Credit is not mine, it's God. So thank you very much. And also his better half. As I said, if you talk about Saint Joseph, Mother Mary is always here. And so his better half is here. Eko bless pun hiru mo wat lang impat ya kendu ngimpat ya itu bah tang manadu kene ke sengi pinsa. Pinsa yo kit chatting message about Don Bosco Youth Center also. So thank you for accompanying Sir Roni. Then I would like to thank Father Rector, Father Philip. This is the first time he is coming here as a rector for a program. Youth Center kadai Shibenta berka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Baru klik du jungi nalor provincial udai Father Philip Barjo, udai rector jungi. Mo kum dei upa jungi provincial dei pait, mo dei ni dei pa jungi. Thank you very much, Father, for being here this evening and also encouraging all of us. Then, of course, we have other fathers here. Father David Langkaji, who was in the past regime as secretary to the province. He was a council member, and now he is the principal of a very huge university, or not university, college, a huge college there in Bendiati. He is also a member of the Don Bosco Media Network team, and that's why today we facilitate him. We thank him for all the services that he has helped us, and I'm sure he will continue to help us in this media ministry of the province, because all this Don Bosco media is not of the youth center, it is of the Shillong province. It happens to be here, since there are some empty spaces, it happens to be here, and so we are looking after it, but otherwise it is of the province. So thank you, Father David. Then we have Father, so many fathers are here, 4 of them. Father A.L. Jose, he came very, very late. Father A.L. Jose, rector of, I want to give him punishment, but since he's a rector, I cannot give punishment. But we thank him for coming towards the end of the program. Thank you, Father, rector of St. Anthony's College. Then we have Father Sil. Father Sil, they parlok iba, eik bah, bat nga nadu kapor ba idang long berdar. But nakapor siya kapor, ngamju le rang ban pan jinyarap ni. Kumbai saroni ong mene, kumno kiyut sentan kalong mansyuah. Oi kabyang mansyuaru tang badon kijinat kine kita kibangi hapan penbah. Kumba kalong benta dari international kalong more than international, it is local. You'd say like kra. In the initial stage, apor basdang ya kane kijing renovation kine ki baro. Da kijing jauh mat teng ngalik yam mo kum kituki itu crocodile tears ni ki itu ki I used to go and ask help from Father Seal. They Father Seal klem don gano kijing you I kloy bahai long ibas bun mensimba. Kublesi bun Father Seal bapila one siya kini program. Then Father Dijon was my uday yunong hikay junga. Mo nang benlek ki baro. Thanks to Father Dijon who taught me media. I don't know, maybe many years back. Some of you were not yet born, so don't worry. So thank you, Father Dijon, for your example and for showing me the way. Then we have a very special guest here, Father Frim Singh. He's a parish priest from Mausandram. See the love that he has for young people. Kapla pelongi banwan sendran yaitu nongruai na Mausandram parish banshim benta hakane competition. Takataw, I look at him as a Salesian because they say no, Salesians love the young people. But I think today Father is showing that not only Salesians, other priests also they are loving the young people. But today we will baptize him as a Salesian because he is here. Thank you very much, Father, for coming. Okay. To these two gentlemen, ko Damian Aruko Joe. Oh, no, sorry, Arm there kin maram. Cheshto. Ba Damian bat ba Josephus. Kini ki junior jonga takadaw daki inga ihap ko ngu. Takadaw kita nang ne mendagasngi. Kita takadaw kita nang ne mendagasngi. Tingi aku beli pi baru ngatip pi bunkam baha mo kamtami Damian ibahabnya kali padon bastom hing nak menta dialysis. Henry haba kamanu boss hap ko ngu idon sini. Aku beli bun Damian, Ko Jo, Mbak Josephus. Thank you very much. They are really fantastic people. So much of talents that they have, no? But very very simple. Ya kini ru kam jula ikan do phone call back. Pi perwat la kataru kata kajing long simple jongki. They are here judging this competition. So thank you very much to both of you. And as a sign of gratitude for this wonderful person right sitting here right in front of us, may I invite Father Seal to come and facilitate these two judges. Please come, once come on. Father Seal. Thank you, Father Seal. Thank you to our judges. Bless you, Bun. Next on my list of the word of thanks is to our two wonderful coaches, Miss Kenkor and Miss Lapediang. You know, sometimes I feel like crying when I see them. Not because they are beautiful and pretty, but because of the hard work that they render to Don Bosco Youth Center. You see, the talents that you saw them singing and the way they train the young students at zero cost. They never ask me for a salary. I just command them to come, they are here teaching. So you know, no, I am always commanding. That's why I'm saying sometimes I feel like crying because I command too much. I command too much that they have forgotten even the talents that they have, and they spend their time here in teaching the kids. So thank you very much to both of you. You know that we have more seasons coming in the future, and this program will not happen if these two beautiful people are not here. So we appreciate them. I think it is not wrong to give them really a thunderous round of applause for these two beautiful people. Then another actress we have, another actress we have here. She also a very professional, not lady, she's a young girl. She has won so many awards. She is a poet, she is a writer, she is an author, she is a singer. She is, I think, very famous in social media as well. And that young girl is none other than Ivanisha Pathau, the one who hosts the program today. Besides doing this kind of work, I used to tell her, hey, nobody, don't mano pule news sa studio namar, baru rangut kinong pule news ki don't come kene katai. Shu phone ni lawan pule news. That is not only that is Ivanisha, always obliging to serve Don Bosco Youth Center and to serve society. And I think she also deserves a big round of applause for all the service she rendered to our community. Then, of course, I don't know why I did not become a father in the sense, a parent. Because I'm feeling very, very jealous of these mother and fathers who are sitting there. You have such lovely children, such talented children. Maybe if I get married, I will not get children like that. That's why I think God called me to become a priest. But really, I'm really jealous of you, dear fathers and mothers who are here, for training your children. Yes, God has given them talent to sing, to dance, but it's because of your encouragement. It's because of you. It's because of the opportunity that you give them. So that's why I think another, maybe much more bigger round of applause should be given to the parents of these kids. Shall we give them? Yes. Very, very good. Then, of course, we cannot thank only the parents today because their kids, their children perform very, very well. So to all our contestants, let us also give them a big round of applause. It is difficult to come to youth center every Saturday and some of them every day for coaching, but they are here together with their parents. Some of them even miss schools, they miss classes because they are here, they want to learn. So we thank them. I would like to thank in a very special way Sarmi Aibor, the one who do this sound system. He is a teacher here, but all these gadgets, don't think it is a youth center. Maybe it will take another maybe 10 to 15 years, we'll get this kind of sound system. But all these are his. And he is bringing it, I don't even ask him to bring. I thought maybe you will use a simple thing is enough. But he wants to make it grand and then he bring all this sound system and his people and all like that. So therefore, let us give Sir also a big round of applause for his help and service to the youth center. Then, of course, we thank our media team, the Don Bosco Media Network team, right from the senior most, Linus Marbanyang, who is there, and then the team, I will not tell the name because there are so many of them are here. We thank them. They are actually on that too. Every time they hear my voice, they have to move. They have to move. So such is the dedication that they have for this Don Bosco Media Network television. You know that they are streaming it live now also, and many people are watching. In fact, I went out 2-3 times because some of my friends from the Philippines are watching and giving me lots of feedback and comments and praise, and some of them are telling you come back to the Philippines, we are missing you. I feel like crying, but it's okay. And then also this show is live even on the local TV. Those who have local TV at home, you can watch channel 279. We have daily programs from Don Bosco Youth Center from this Don Bosco Media Network, the news and entertainment and all the songs that you have listened today. Again, you will be hearing them in the coming days. So we thank the team of Don Bosco Media Network for the hard work they render to Don Bosco Youth Center, to the society and to the young people and to our province. Let us give them also a big round of applause. Then to all of you, dear audience, friends, many of you are here because you know either the contestants or because you know me, you love me. You are so many of you. I don't know that I have so many fans and so many lovers. Huh? I thought the hall will be empty, but see, the hall is full. So this is the sign that I'm still handsome. Huh? I'm still handsome. Thank you for coming, all of you, dear audience. But last but not the least, I would like to say thank you to my big community. Father Riton Bor, our new assistant director who has joined the community just a few days ago. And then the three brothers, as I said, and we have our hostel boys. If the place is clean, if the place is looking neat and clean, it's not because Father Makri is sweeping or making all this kind of thing. I just command. I just command, and everything happens like this. So we thank Father Riton Bor and the brothers and the boys for making this place beautiful. I think you know, no? If I forget someone, I don't want to tell the names because it is very, very close to my heart. So if I have forgotten your name to thank you, you know that you are the closest in my heart because I don't want to disclose your name. So thank you to every one of you. Now we have come to the most important part. May I request all our contestants, all the 10 participants, on one Shinesha stage. Kepat yaki contestants. Yes, very good. Come. Yes, tapti. Wow, one Shinesha. Okay. Yes, this is the most important thing, but the worst things that I don't want to do in my life. To announce who is the winner, to announce who is not winning. But dear friends, ngatip pila treshtom nado basdang kani competition hulu kani kasi. Baru pila lebha. Tak tahu ngam nang penjudge, mana yang lak penshifting iping ong ngan minus marks ya baru akibat syang sini jatai. Henry bas ngap ya jingruai jong pi, ngalik jauh mat marui. Namar ba pilih bah pelat, kum nong ngan minus marks. Dini am. Oi. Aku play shibun ya kejin trace tom jong pi. Ngada ya ro sisya nadu, don't note nadu mensim ya kejin trace tom jong pi. But kani kemdi ka sin ka bakadu. Kidang bun kiwe ki platform syakmat. Kidang bun kiwe ki season syakmat. Pila banwan man kapor sa youth center. Kanay kaya ying jong pi. Kamday kaya ying jong nga. Kamday kaya ying jongi. Kanay kaya ying jong pi ki kena samla. Kaya ying jong pi. Takataw kano kapor bapikwa pansim benta ki competition. Kumbapitip hapunay September, October ngidon sa kiwe competition. Ngidon sa dancing competition. Pila pansim benta. Pila pansyat. Nang may pansyat. Sa nang sa hikay mga mo. So, tigidang doon sa kiwi kiransan. Tingi kapat ipi. Tur syakmat. Kumbay sa ronil ong mene. Jam syakmat. Late syakmat. Wat sange tang haneh youth center. Tigata kadai kalat kalenti ka bamangi ngipli kanay kadai tang ka beginning. It's only the beginning. From here on, you move. And if you still need us, we are always there for you. Tiada tak tahu, asyua bangin penbenai ke result, ngakot mentai Father Daniel, bayin sam, ikini ki certificate, ikini ki shpomut, ki finalist, ki balapoi syah kene ka sengi. Ya kiwe ki nong shimbenta, ki participants, ki bala syah eliminate ki round baper, kin sawan shim ya ka certificate na po office juga. Henry, ya kini ki shpomut, yan ay ka certificate ya ki menta. Father Daniel, may I invite you to come forward and give the certificates to our participants. Frankie Nongbri. Next, Elfra. Next, Sagacity. Next, Aida Mesha. Next, Cordiali. Next, we have Mangara Dakhar. Next we have Tia Vanessa. Tia Vanessa. Next we have Aishwadaka. Aishwadaka Dakar. Next we have Kit Kupar. Kit Kupar. And last but not the least, we have Tosan Ban Eid. He is, I think, the youngest participant. Let us give them all a big round of applause. Woo! Thank you, Father. Woo! Saksisin. Kani kada itang kajing sedang. Kani kada itang kajing sedang. Dang bun susu kilat kilenti sedin. Nakata-kataw. Hoy, mentapi yo don arngut langun update jopi kiben yo yang prize. Nyungut update jopi pin yo yang prize. Tang baka prize kadi geta kaba pila ya ro yo blade ke sing ruai jopi. Baro pila lebha. Baro. Henry ha competition don human job, don human rep. Tena kata-kataw ha kadi competition. Ba job bayo shispa sau pusau point. Today Ukit Kupar Nongsi I Bawan Baar Ide I Frankie Nongbri Bad I Bawan Balai Ide I Tia Vanessa Gurba To Sekiwe Kimak Jumpi Ngila Ban Pej Shibet Kit Kupar yo shispa sau pusau Di Frankie shispa Arpusan Tia Vanessa shispa Arpusau Nanti way saya peji kimat Jopi hadir. The congratulations Tepi Baro ngakarpat ya Sir Roni ya Sir Roni Berwan Syakmat Father Philip Ruben Wan Syakmat ban ai gini certificate bat kit token bat ru ya I Madam Ban Wan Syakmat Ngidon ki trophy ka check pemut dari kakashi ni ai ya I third prize Tia Vanessa Wan Syakmat naga benta kini ki jinsami ki prize kusnam Okay. Then we go to the second position. Again, the same system. Your second prize, your trophy, but kakash about 15,000 kalsan hajar. Iker pada Frankie Ban Wan Syakmat, ban shim yiki kusnam. Nangta I bayo banengkong Ikit Kupar Ikit Kupar bayo banengkong uyo ka trophy bat kapisa lai pusan hajar Thank you, Sir Roni. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, Father. Okay. Tik kini QA ru ngakwa banyetu ya pi. Balai ngi postpone ya kene ka competition. Balai ngi postpone ya kene competition kawe kalong kadaw jong uslap kabaar kalong ba ki parlok ki ba support ingi bor-bor hakane ka kam ki ong ba apchwan nai ban pelong namar ngi kwa ban pha pi ti kita ki parlok chungi ki la pha knyat kan sot ki jinyarap ti kine ki nyomot ki bamyo ya ka prize menta ka sngi kinuman ya kendu ya nga bat makiru kinyo ya ka prize hakaliang jong kapisa namar badon bos sponsor no nakabaliang jong piru baro okay te kublay shibun ngatharai ngidon kumba shispa arpo shispa lai pumot hang ne kaja mit kadai na benta baro tang bayag suki-suki kamera kabarit la karpat pi baro ban bamja hang ne nadu kini ki staff nadu ki judges jungi la dapitang donpor ban nyabam jalang hang ne ki media staff ki coaches jungi ki father ki late evening prayer sejrong shwa nantai oi kadai ka feast day menta kasi kadai ski burom jong Joseph ko jara kim duai ngam ajari ne kina tiki father baro kin kiu sejrong evening prayer they don't talk but you talk onge te usaru piru Joseph and Mary you have to go up so kine kin le sha jrong sha kam ayu sha jrong jungi stage mo kin le duai shwa na ta kisa on bamja otherwise the rest please all come to this green room here food is served for everyone kublay shibun ngin saya kendu au benai September October kedon ka dancing competition ka banlong hang ne hi haju ngin saya kendu ep au October kublay shibun ka program kalak kuat kublay shibun